So a lot of the time when you're on prep, a lot of people are like super anal. You know, they have like a menu that their coach has given them or something, and you know they follow it like right to a T. But sometimes you'll be pinched. You know, maybe you're on the road, there's traffic, or you can't get somewhere, you can't get a meal. I always say like you should keep, you know, in your vehicle or something like a bottle of like isolate protein, or something. You know, so if you're on the road, you know, you can get that in, and you can get yourself, you know, home till you can make a meal. But if you don't have that and you need to get something, you can always eat healthy, no matter where you are, you know. So we're going to show you an example today of something where you can, you know, you can obviously eat a cheat meal, or you could eat healthy as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's Spanish then?
You just tell her we're taking our Drive-thru?
Yeah, we're looking at the menu.
Yeah, it's gonna step from. We may have some. Oh no, not today.
No Frosties. I like the Frosties when they have vanilla and chocolate here, and they do the mix. They mix the two. Oh, it's really good.
But we haven't done it today. Not today.
No, not today.
Not today. Oh, Baconator fries.
Baconator and fries is probably a no-go.
No.
Probably a no-go.
Okay, well.
but we can go with. So I'm just checking out the menu right now.
Well,
You can always go with. So they have chicken sandwiches, right? So you can get grilled chicken, or you can get like a fried type chicken, a breaded chicken or whatever. So obviously you're gonna go with the grilled chicken.
Salad too.
They have, so you can get a salad. There's this nice salad that has like little apples in it and stuff, and
just a second, please. I'm just looking at the menu.
yeah. So we can either go with like a salad with chicken, like this is if we're gonna go no carbs. So, you know, sometimes when when I diet, usually the first 3 meals of the day I have carbs, and I'll be training after the first or second meal, and the last 3 meals of the day have no carbs. Now, especially when you're in classic, you don't get much carbs.
So they have here salad and fruits.
Yeah, so there's a really nice salad here, salad and fruit. I think it's called, there's one actually Southwest avocado, so you get a little bit of fats, healthy fats in there.
Yeah.
And
bacon in there, you can remove the bacon.
You can, so we're gonna order that today.
We are not. What? So you can ask to remove the bacon.
Yeah. So we'll do that. So we're gonna order the Southwest avocado salad.
And no cheese?
We're gonna do no cheese. We're gonna go no bacon, and we're gonna go grilled chicken.
So getting fruits with that or no?
And the
seasonal fruits there.
Yeah, so we go with some fruit. Yeah. That's healthy.
All right, we're ready.
You know.
Okay. Can we get Southwest avocado salad?
Southwest avocado salad?
Yeah, but with no bacon. No bacon and no cheese.
No chicken.
No bacon and no cheese.
Yeah. Can we add the sauce on the side? The ranch?
Yeah, it's on I think it's already on the side.
Okay. And can we get the seasonal fruits?
And the what? The seasonal fruit cup?
Yeah.
Oh, that was the last season.
There's no season now?
No.
So no seasonal fruit. Well, we'll do. Do we get the grilled chicken instead of the crispy chicken, or is it?
Is it grilled chicken?
Is it grilled?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else?
And then just a diet pop. Diet Coke.
Can we get diet Coke with that?
Diet Pepsi.
Okay, so wait, Southwest avocado with no bacon and no cheese, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then no seasonal fruit cup. So what else would it be?
Just a diet Coke.
Small?
Yeah.
No medium.
Anything else?
Medium.
Medium-sized diet coke.
2 of them. Yeah.
2 of them.
2 medium-sized diet cokes.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
That's it.
1287 for the salad and the 2 medium-sized diet cokes.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So this is a good example of something you could get on the run. You know, if you're like I said, if you're pinched or something and you don't have any food, which I suggest you prepare your food in advance. But like you said, things happen. You know, maybe the food went bad. Maybe you had to stay somewhere an extra day. So you know, you can always do this. So this is like a no carbs meal. There might be a little bit of there's basically just chicken and avocado, and then you have your diet and salad, and then you got your diet pop. So it's very low calories. Yeah. and you can't really use the dressing. What I would do for the dressing is I would use like a little bit of like vinegar and salt and lemon, or you know,
Maybe they
something like that.
have olive oil.
They might have a low calorie dressing as well.
You can ask.
Let's see if they pull through for us here. All right, so also, like if you're gonna do a meal with say low carbs, so say like how I said the first 3 meals usually I have carbs in the last 3, so if this was one of the first 3, you could actually get like a hamburger. You could get a hamburger, maybe order 2 hamburgers, and then what you can do is take the patties off of, the one, scrap the bun and put it into one hamburger, so you're just getting carbs from one bun instead of 2, and that's always something you could do to keep it lower carbs, so. Thank you. There you go. Let's check it out.
Do you have it? You want to give it me? Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to close your window. Oh, no, you have it.
So there it is. You see?
Yeah, that goes somewhere over there.
There's avocado, chicken, tomato, lettuce. We'll use that balsamic vinegar. Or no, it's a raspberry vinaigrette that we have. So it's 50 calories added. If you use the whole thing, which if you're dieting, you probably get away with using half of it. Adding a little bit of salt. So I put salt on every meal. That's good.
Hey, what's your channel?
Yeah? my channel?
Yeah.
It's Regan Grimes.
Regan Grimes?
Regan Grimes, yeah.
That's the grimy bowl.
The grimy bowl.
Thank you.